So it's been a while since I've been up here, but perfect opportunity to show you the hall and the church, the old church. And there's some really, really old graves in here, folks. So that one's from 1872, and it is a ruins of the old All Saints Church, which is gone now. And it tells you about the excavation work. It finds the old church in the timeline, and here we have Annesley Hall. There's actually somebody in it today. Vehicle in it. So let's walk down and we'll check out the Mary Ann Charworth's grave. It's a very unique grave. Very unique indeed. And someone's laid some flowers, bless them. Very nice indeed. And then it tells you about the heritage trail, the monstrous heritage trail that you can do. Maybe worth checking some of these places out, some of these churches and stuff. And this is the old Annesley Hall, reputedly haunted. It was on an episode of Most Haunted. There has been problems with people trespassing. It's all private property. And there is actually a vehicle here today, which is unusual. Well, that's part of the old hall. Impressive, isn't it? And it's just a shame it's not been restored to any sort of standard, really. But I do believe they are working on it. They are working on a restoration. So yeah, that's Annesley Hall. So let's have a quick look at the old church ruins. And again, there's more signs telling you about the restoration work here. I always find this fascinating. I don't know what it is. No idea. So this is probably the oldest bit of the ruins, I do believe. The 12th century former parish church of Annesley, superseded by the new All Saints in 1874. It's a Grade 1 listed ancient monument, bought by Ascot District Council in May 1986. There's not many Grade 1 listed buildings, that I can tell you. But yeah, can you imagine when this was open, how amazing it would have looked. Let's have a walk around some really old tombstones around here, this part of the churchyard. They're so old, some of them you can't even read them anymore. Let's have a quick look at the old building here. More of the old works, the old building. You can just imagine how grand it was in its day. But yeah, as you can see, there's some really old graves. I mean, you can see that one there, it's from 1774. 1774, folks. That is old. That is old. You can't make out some of them. You can't make out some of them anymore. Definitely can't make out that one. But look at that. Look at that ornament there. But people have managed, they've got in through this side and climbed down before. You're not allowed. Totally illegal. But I've seen plenty of videos of people doing it. So I can't read most of the gravestones, folks, so we'll head off back round. That's it, folks. I'm going to end it there. So I hope you enjoyed this one today. Please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel like previously mentioned. And we'll see you again in the next one. And hopefully this footage that I'm creating now will actually look okay. So yeah, thank you everyone, and see you in the next video. Bye. And thank you very much, members of the channel. Really appreciate your support, and a special thanks to the Platinum members, Ramon Lamares and TSG Adventures. Thank you guys. And also, folks, please remember to check out the playlists, subscribe to the channel, and hit that like button. Thank you.